Tom made $3,450 last week from a new AI side hustle as a complete beginner after about 1 month. In this video, I'm going to break down his exact process so that you can get started right away and hopefully start seeing similar results ASAP. Let me explain the business model a little first. Businesses need high-quality images of their products, especially clothing, to sell online. Think about it. When you're shopping on a website, do you click on the boring white background picture? Or the one where the dress is on a model standing in a beautiful setting? Exactly. But hiring photographers, models, and renting studios, that's expensive. We're talking thousands of dollars for just one photo shoot. That's where AI steps in, and you step in. With AI tools, you can create stunning model photography without ever picking up a camera. These AI tools do all the heavy lifting for you, creating professional-grade images that look like they came from a photo shoot. And what's great is that these AI tools are fast, cheap, and easy to learn. Let me show you exactly how to do it, step by step, even if you've never touched an editing program before. Step 1. Get your tools ready. The main platform I'm going to talk about and use in this tutorial is Photo AI. It's super user-friendly, even if you're not into tech at all. Start by going to their website. Just Google Photo AI and click the first link. Sign up for an account. They usually have a free trial, so you can try it out without paying up front. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard with all the tools available. Don't get overwhelmed. We're going to focus on just a few features to get started. Step 2. Create a sample. The first thing you'll want to do is upload a sample image of clothing. If you don't have one, grab a free stock photo from a site like Pexels or Unsplash. Let's say you pick a photo of a t-shirt. Drag and drop it into Photo AI. The platform will automatically detect the edges of the clothing and remove the background. This is important because we'll be placing the clothing onto a virtual model next. Now, here's where the magic happens. Photo AI has built-in virtual models you can use. Think of it like a digital mannequin that can actually move and pose. Select a model that matches the vibe of the clothing. If it's a casual t-shirt, you might choose a relaxed, smiling model in a park setting. For formal wear, you might pick someone in a studio with elegant lighting. You can customize the model's height, body shape, skin tone, everything. It's all drag and drop, no Photoshop skills needed. Next, use the try-on feature. This is where you digitally place the t-shirt onto the model. The AI will automatically adjust the fit, making it look natural as if the model is actually wearing it. You can tweak the lighting, shadows, and even wrinkles on the fabric to make it as realistic as possible. If you want to add a background, there's an option to swap it out. Choose from Photo AI's library of preset scenes or upload your own. You can have the model standing in front of an edgy building, against a white background, or in a grassy field. Anything you can think of, really. Now, if you don't want to pay for Photo AI right away, you can either use their free trial first, or you can check out some free alternatives like Fodder and Artis. These tools might not have as many bells and whistles, but they're great for beginners. Photor, for example, lets you remove backgrounds and upscale images for free. Artis can generate artistic, stylized model photos, although it's less customizable than Photo AI. Try them out if you're just testing the waters. Step 3. Get clients. Finding businesses that need your service is easier than you think. Start by Googling local clothing stores. Search terms like clothing boutiques near me or local fashion brands. Browse their websites and social media. Pay attention to their product photos. If you see plain white background images, bingo, that's your opportunity. Let's say you find a boutique called Sunny Threads. Their website has basic photos of clothes on hangers, not exactly inspiring. Download one of their images, just for sample purposes, and upload it to Photo AI. Create a stunning lifestyle photo of that same outfit on a virtual model in a vibrant setting. Once it's ready, save it as a sample to show the boutique owner. Now, it's time to reach out. The key is to keep your pitch simple and professional. Here's an example email you can send. Hi, owner's name. I love your collection at Sunny Threads. Your designs are beautiful, but I noticed some of the product photos on your site don't show how amazing they'd look in real life. I specialize in creating professional AI-generated model photography that can elevate your product listings. and boost sales. I've attached a sample I made using one of your products to show you the possibilities. If you're interested, I'd love to chat about creating more for your store at an affordable rate. And looking forward to hearing from you. Your name. Make sure to attach your sample image. People are visual, and showing them what's possible is more powerful than just telling them. If you don't hear back, follow up in a few days. Business owners are busy, so a polite nudge can go a long way. If emailing feels too slow, try messaging them on Instagram or even calling the store directly. Once you land a client, pricing is really important. If you're starting out as a complete beginner, charge around $20 to $30 per image. That's way cheaper than a traditional photographer, but still a great profit for you since the AI does most of the work. As you get more experience, you can raise your rates and offer package deals, like $300 for 10 images. To make your work stand out, offer extras like animated model videos. Platforms like Runway AI let you create short videos where the virtual model moves, giving the clothing a more dynamic, lifelike feel. These videos can help your clients stand out on social media, and you can charge extra for them. Step 4. Scale up. If you want to scale this hustle, freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines. On Fiverr, you can create a gig advertising your AI photography services. Use the samples you've already made to showcase your skills. Mention the fast turnaround time and affordable pricing in your gig description. This will help you stand out from the competition. Another way to find more clients is through Google Maps. Look up local businesses with outdated or incomplete listings. Offer to refresh their photos as part of a package deal. This strategy works especially well for small shops that want to look more professional online. Let's talk about workflow. Once you have multiple clients, staying organized is really important. Use tools like Trello or Notion and Stripe to track projects, deadlines, and payments. For delivering the final images, Google Drive or Dropbox are great options because they're easy for clients to access. Let's recap what we've covered today. First, get your tools: Photo AI, Photo R, or Artis. Second, create sample images to show off your skills. Third, find clients by searching for local businesses or listing your services on freelance platforms. Finally, deliver top-notch work and upsell extras like video animations or batch deals. It's that simple. This AI side hustle is perfect for anyone looking to make extra cash without a ton of upfront investment. The demand is huge, the tools are easy to use, and the potential profits are real. Have you tried an AI side hustle like this before? Are you planning to? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.